my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. So today I have a quick closure tutorial for you guys today. Youth Beauty sent me over their 4x4 silk based closure curly wig, and this is 180% density and also in 24 inches. So all of the hair is in the frame, you guys, so that you guys could see the length on the hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I put this closure wig on and got it to look really natural. As you guys can see, I'm looking at my camera right now and my TV, and it looks really natural. I do have a little con of this wig. I feel like they could have pre-plucked this. Like, if you guys are going to go ahead and give like the 4x4 silk based closure look, just go ahead and pre-pluck it. So it did come extremely dense, you guys, and I had to pluck the hairline. It wasn't too much, but at the same time I felt like I was tugging on when I was plucking, which is kind of a con because I can rip it if I'm tugging too hard. So I do feel like they could have just pre-plucked this and then just made my life a little easier. But anyways, other than that, I love the curl pattern on this wig unit. This was already pre-washed. I had pre-washed it before. So this is the natural curl pattern that you guys would be getting. I do love the luster of it. It is on more of like the raw side, so it may appear a little drier, which I like. But you guys, you can put some oil on it, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. Also, I have sprayed this hydrate and leave-in conditioner in it as well, and that's just to keep the hair hydrated, because again, this is like giving off a raw hair luster. So for my girls who just, you know, don't like their hair to look too raw, they like silky straight hair, I definitely suggest you guys use your oils and stuff to make the hair appear a little shinier. So these curls back here is more of on the like defined, because I didn't pull it out, but I guess I'll pull it out a little bit back here so it can blend. I just want it to look like, you know, I have a curl. But I love this, you guys. I think that it's so cute. Now, have I been getting any shedding or anything like that? I haven't, except for like with the plucking and stuff like that. When I washed it, I did get some shedding, you guys, but you know, that's a given, you know, like it's a given.
always do. I'm waiting to win, but I always lose.
that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Again, this was a quick tutorial. It's also for my girls who, you know, don't want the whole frontal thing. They just want to do like the closure. It's like a mimic of frontal type of thing. It's like getting the look but not doing the work. So super easy, super quick. Mine is me doing all the plucking and things like that. However, I do think that this is a pretty decent wig and a really good buy considering all the curly hair that you get on this wig unit. And it's also good just in time for the summer. I think this will be a pretty good summer wig, and it sucks that I'm just in the house doing these reviews and have nowhere to go. Like, ill. In the meantime, make sure you guys are being extremely safe and well. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Rabiana Simone and Rabiana on Snapchat. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications, you guys, because I'm going to be checking. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video.